and welcome back to my channel. Obviously there's a really loud echo, but today I'm doing my empty apartment tour. I just got the keys for this apartment a few hours ago and I wanted to do a little tour of it for you guys, show you around before I get all my furniture and start decorating. I'll probably do a tour once there's furniture and decorated, but for now I wanted to show you guys it. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm really excited to live here. I've never lived on my own before, so I'm really excited to live here and excited to decorate it and show you guys. This is obviously the front door. Not very exciting. So when you first walk in, this is my POV. You see a wall, so to the left is the kitchen and then to the right is the bathroom and some storage. Let's start over here. So this is to the right. This is the water heater
utilities closet.
That locked. Over here is a really creaky door. Kind of sounds like a horror film. We'll probably put some
WD-40.
That stuff. This is just like a little coat closet. I have my suitcase in here.
Be really good for Halloween.
It decorates itself. And then in here is the half bath. So I have never really seen 1-bedroom apartments that have a half bath. So over here is like a nice little sink and toilet, good storage, nice. Like it. And then over here on this side is the washer and dryer. These are honestly like really nice. Wait. Oh, this is, I haven't opened it yet. This is really nice. And the dryer. Did the person that lived here last enter the out?
Oh, that's tiny.
Oh my god, kind of cute. And then above the washer and dryer is a bunch of storage. Something that I found out today is this apartment is made for very tall people. Like these are. Like I will need a step stool. Like it's, this is, yeah. It's a tall person apartment and I'm not one of those. That is the bathroom. We're back to where we started, the front door, and then to the left is the kitchen. I love this kitchen stuff. This kitchen is a huge reason why I went into this apartment. I really love the island. There's so much storage in here. I also really like that the fridge is like a water thingy. Haven't had one of these in years. I've been using Britta's. This is we'll need to
we can tighten that.
Empty obviously, but it's super nice. I really love this thingy. Really nice sink. And then
microwave?
Yeah. Sorry, it's been a while. We have the microwave and the oven. Over here there's actually like a little Lazy Susan, which is so fun. I don't know what I want to put in here, but something fun. It's actually quite big. Like it can fit a lot. And then obviously the upper storage. Like I said, a tall person apartment. Like there's like this gap here. So I feel like I can really only reach this bottom shelf because I can only.
You can move those shelves down though.
I can. That's a good point. I will probably
if you wanted to.
Whoever lived here is probably tall. Actually, I think I know who lived here because when I was setting up my Wi-Fi, for some reason, like their name was still on it, and I was like, okay. And then over here, there's just some pantry storage for food. I stored all my stuff in here, so you can't tell, but I just showed you. So. Oh, and the kitchen island is really nice. You can put bar stools here and on this side. Kind of nice, right? Okay, then behind the kitchen is the living room and the dining room. Where I'm standing right now will probably be the dining room. The reason why I got this apartment was because there was a big live-in and dining room, and I wanted to use the dining room size space kind of as like a little bit of an office because a 2-bedroom apartment was a lot more money. So there would probably be like a dining table here and maybe some storage over here. And then right here is the living room. So this is basically like one giant room. You can probably tell. The only thing I really have right now is my Wi-Fi. I don't know why they made the Wi-Fi router go here, but right here I'll probably put like my couch and some tables, maybe some art, a coffee table. And then over here, I will probably put my TV, a media console, just the typical living room stuff. I'm about to be pretty backlit, but I have this beautiful sliding glass door for the balcony. I have a nice little pool view. You probably can't see me because it's backlit. This apartment comes with these really cool blinds. This is one half of them, but I think they're really cute. I think someone's stained them though.
Oh, lovely.
You know, it looks like a ton of food. I don't know what's happening there. Yeah. The balcony is really nice and big. We don't really need to go out there and see see it, but it's a really nice area, so I like it. There's a lot of natural lighting as well. And then this is where I said I was gonna put the TV and everything. And here is my bedroom. I think this is a really nice sized bedroom. I feel like it looks really small in here, but I feel like once I get furniture, it'll be fine. I'll probably put like my bed here, my dresser, my TV, maybe a desk if I can fit it. It's pretty echoey in here, but obviously once I get furniture, it'll be fine. I have a ceiling fan, and I have not had a ceiling fan in my last apartment, and living in Arizona, that was pretty hard, so I'm really excited to have a ceiling fan. I don't know why, I'm really looking forward to that. I also really like that the walls in this place are all painted white. I think it makes it easier to decorate. And then off my bedroom, I have my bathroom and my closet. Let's start with the bathroom. So they're all connected, which is really nice. Here's my bathroom. I think it is so great. There's so much storage and counter space. I have a medicine cabinet on both sides. I feel like this is meant for 2 people, but I'm the only one living here, so I'm definitely taking advantage of all this storage. Every apartment that I've lived in the past, all my college apartments have had like no storage, so I'm really excited for this. And then over here, there's like a little half wall. I don't know if it's like half wall. There's a wall. And then there's the toilet and then the shower. I think this is a really nice, it's pretty, I like it. This is kind of a shorter tub, but I don't really take baths, so I don't think that's a big deal. And then some place to put some decorative towels, and then to hang my shower towels. This is a really nice bathroom. I'm really looking forward to it. And then off the bathroom is the closet. So this is the closet. This is definitely the biggest closet I've ever had in my entire life. So over here, there's just a bunch of like storage that I can, you know, put shoes or purses or pants, I don't know, long hanging. And then over here, there's like 2 rod poles. I don't know what these things are called, but for clothes. Done. And then that is my whole apartment. So that was my empty apartment tour. I'm so excited to take you guys along with me moving into here, decorating it, furnishing it. I'm really excited. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions on how you think I should decorate this place. I already have a few ideas in mind. Let me know if you want to know those few ideas in mind. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how to organize this place. If you have any suggestions at all for anything, please let me know. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.